This video is sponsored by Saketaro. What's up everyone, Jun with the Sushi Man here, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video on what I received today. And I'm super excited about this. We're partnering with an awesome sake distributing company called Saketaro. They're based out of California and have tons of really high quality sake that you typically don't find at other retailers. And they were kind enough to send me this box, which I wanted to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's open this up. Definitely taped up really secure. And this came in like 2 days, so not long at all. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. Some masu. Wow, look at that. Insulated and cushioned really well. That's always good. Oh, nice. They even put some ice packs in here so that the sake doesn't get too hot. That's some good service right there. And that's proof that they know what they're doing. You may think it's alcohol, so why would that matter? But sake doesn't have that high of an alcohol content, and regulating the temperature is important, especially in these hot summer months. It'll definitely ruin the sake if it's baking out on your front doorstep in like 90-degree weather. So I gotta say, that's really cool that they do that. Nicely packed bottles. Another ice pack in there. Yeah, look at these bottles. Very nice. Ooh, Harada Junmai Dai Ginjo. I'm super excited about this one. I think it's a Genshu style sake, which means it's undiluted, so it should taste a little bit different than these other ones. Very curious about this bottle. Nambu Bijin. Should be another good one. Abe. Never tried this one either. I feel like a little kid on Christmas morning. Ryo Junmai Ginjo. It's a nice little personal size bottle. And this one is Kikusui's Nigori Sake. Very cool. Why don't we open up these two, huh? Saketaro. It's a very nice quality masu. And man, opening this box makes me even more excited to be partnering with Saketaro, so I can share bottles like this with you guys and also bring you more content around Japanese sake. So you'll definitely see me doing sake pairings more often or just having a virtual drink with y'all. Thank you again to Saketaro for sending these amazing bottles. And I'll have links in the description below, including a special promo code that you can use to get a discount on your first order. So be sure to check that out. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu.